Operators struggle to onboard subscribers quickly because KYC documents arrive in many formats from multiple sources. Manual review, verification, and data entry into CRM and billing systems delay activation, frustrate customers, and create compliance exposure. AuGENT ingests KYC forms, identity documents, service orders, and contracts on arrival, automatically grouping them into subscriber packets. Documents flow in from branches, online portals, retail partners, and mobile cameras, all captured instantly without manual intervention. AuGENT accurately classifies all subscriber documents, KYC forms, national IDs, passports, service orders, sponsor letters, and contracts, even as formats change across branches and partners. The system handles Arabic, English, and bilingual documents with high confidence. Extraction agents parse every subscriber document, KYC forms, ID cards, service orders, and contracts, to isolate critical fields: subscriber name, ID number, contact details, plan selection, and device type. All data is extracted into clean, structured JSON format. Validation agents cross-check every extracted field against CRM records, national ID databases, sanctions lists, and telecom regulatory rules. Duplicate accounts, invalid IDs, and compliance issues are instantly flagged. Cleared subscribers are marked ready for activation. AuGENT flags incomplete or discrepant submissions and routes them to a review queue. Supervisors see the original document, extracted data, and reason for the flag. They can approve, request additional info from the customer, or escalate to compliance, all within a unified interface. Service order agents extract plan selection, device type, add-on services, and special offers. Service configuration agents map these to billing codes and pricing rules. The result is a complete billing configuration, ready to activate subscriber service without manual setup. Compliance agents automatically assemble subscriber packets based on regulatory requirements. For UAE nationals, the packet includes KYC form and valid national ID. For expats, sponsor letters and work permits are added. Every document is verified, every field validated, and a complete audit trail is embedded, ready for regulatory submission. Validated subscriber and service data flows seamlessly into CRM and billing systems via secure APIs. Customer records are created, billing accounts are configured, devices are provisioned, and SIM cards are activated, all without manual re-entry or delays. AuGENT maintains complete audit trails for every KYC submission, validation, exception, and approval. Compliance dashboards provide real-time visibility into processing volumes, validation rates, and exception resolution. Regulatory reports are generated on demand with full audit trails, ensuring audit-ready compliance at scale. AuGENT transforms subscriber onboarding metrics. Activation time drops from 3 to 7 days to 4 to 6 hours. Processing accuracy rises to 99.2%. Cost per activation falls by 73%, and compliance audit readiness reaches 100%. Operators can now onboard thousands of subscribers daily without increasing headcount. AuGENT transforms telecom subscriber onboarding. KYC forms, identity documents, service orders, and contracts, whether submitted from branches, partners, or online portals, are instantly classified, extracted, validated, and integrated into CRM and billing systems. Subscribers activate in hours instead of days. Manual data entry drops by 95%, and compliance audit readiness reaches 100%. For telecom operators competing on speed and customer experience, AuGENT delivers the intelligence your operations need to grow faster and smarter.